Hello students, as you know, last time I have finished your topic chemical kinetics. So today, after the holiday of June, I will start our new topic, chapter number 5, surface chemistry. Surface chemistry. Guys, after the chemical kinetics, this chapter is totally theoretical, so try to understand what is the surface chemistry. Students, surface chemistry, it is a surface phenomena. Surface phenomena. It means the study of surface phenomenon that occur during the chemical reaction. During the chemical reaction is known as surface chemistry. Surface. Students, now I am going to explain a very simple example to you. I think you have listened this example in your 10th class, 11th class. The example is CH2 double bond CH2 gas and hydrogen gas reacts with each other in the presence of platinum. Formation of ethane gas takes place. I think you have asked your teacher that what is the role of this platinum in this chemical reaction. But teacher replied that this is the catalyst in another way. But really, here this platinum really is a catalyst. What here it is behave as adsorbent. Behave as adsorbent. Okay? And this hydrogen gas adsorbs over this platinum. So guys, when the hydrogen gas adsorbs over this platinum, the rate of reaction becomes fast. So the first phenomena regarding this is the adsorption. Before discussing this example, I am going to explain a simple activity. If I am taking dye of coloring material, okay, and mixed with the charcoal. So when the charcoal mix in this container, what will be appear? Students, the pink color become disappear. The pink color of dye become disappear. And when the pink color is disappear, student, it means this charcoal absorbs this dye. So this phenomena is known as the adsorption. Students, now what is the adsorption? Accumulation of liquid common gases over the solids and liquids. surface, liquid surface, not in the bulk, not in the bulk. So this phenomenon is known as what? Adsorption. So various example is there for adsorption. Very important example, a very simple example. Adsorption of hydrogen gas over the PT surface, platinum surface. You know, if we taking surface of platinum, this is the molecules of hydrogen gas. They are not transferred into the bulk liquid inside. They are remains only at the surface. So this is known as the adsorption. Adsorption. Here, this is the adsorbate, and this is the adsorbate. So I think all of you get about the adsorption. Adsorption is a phenomena in which accumulation of substances takes place. So you know, this is known as the adsorption. So adsorption is the made up of two phenomena, two things, that is the adsorbate and adsorbate. Okay. Now the next one is absorption. 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 Adsorption. So, accumulation of substances in bulk. Accumulation of substances in bulk is called absorption. Is called absorption. Students, if we take the sponge and dipped in water container, water is absorbed inside the sponge. So this is in water is in bulk. Water is in bulk. Now the next one is sorption. Sorption when both phenomena adsorption and adsorption occurs simultaneously is known as known as source. Students, again try to understand. Here I have discussed about the three topics commonly. First one is the adsorption. Adsorption means accumulation of substances, liquid or gases, over the surface rather than the wall is known as adsorption. When the substance absorb, when the substance accumulate inside the wall of a substance is known as absorption. And when both the phenomena occur simultaneously, this is known as the source. Okay, try to understand. Let us take in a simple substance. This is the atom. If the molecules of adsorbate present only at over the surface, this is the adsorption. Present inside the, this is the absorption. And present in both sides. This is called source. So, adsorption, and last one is the source. Okay.